Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add a signature add-on in Google Forms. First, click the Google Apps icon, scroll down and select Google Forms. You can either open an existing form or start a new one with a blank form. With your form open, go to the top right corner, click the three vertical dots or more menu and select Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Signature. You'll see options like DocuSign or Sign Request. Choose the one that fits your needs. Click Install, sign in with your Google account, and grant the permissions. When the installation finishes, click Done. Back in your form, click the Add-ons Puzzle piece icon at the top. Select the signature tool you installed and click Open. This adds the signature field to your form, so respondents can sign directly. And that's it. That's how to add a signature add-on in Google Forms. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.